I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya, simple
Alright, today's the first day back on the road. I'm on my way to Salt Lake City. Actually, Ogden. I'm meeting up with my godfather. Getting a much later start than I wanted to. I basically couldn't find anything this morning, so I'm still kind of in the move-in stages here. It's a process. Having a good old-fashioned ham, turkey, and cheese roll because I'm too lazy to dig out the bread breakfast.
That's a 4,000 foot drop down into that valley. There's, at least 3, and it's like awe-inspiring. You can't see it through a camera.
You can't.
But it's cool.
It is. So we're just got done with our ride. We got a little bit of time before the sun goes down. My uncle's trying to get the side-by-side back in the ramp here, and the tires are too muddy to bite down, so we had to move.
Tip number 3.
There you go. All right.
We're on.
Worked that time.
Didn't work so good the first 2 times we tried.
So that concluded my visit with my uncle or godfather, Kirk. I'm now en route to go visit my friend, who was a coworker that I worked with at Target during the pandemic. He moved to Salt Lake a little while ago. So now that I'm passing through Salt Lake, I'm going over to his place for dinner. It was a really good visit. I was really happy to see my godfather. He took me up and showed me, some of the countryside here and around Salt Lake City and Ogden. It's literally right in their backyard. And then, I don't have any footage of it, but I went and visited my old friend from Target when I worked at Target during the pandemic, Rodrigo. It was very nice to catch up with him. In the time that we've been apart, it was kind of nice to catch up and exchange life stories a little bit. It was nice, and he let me crash at his place, which was very generous of him, and made me Paraguayan tortillas, which I am going to be calling him or texting him and asking him the recipe as soon as I have time to sit down and cook, because holy Jesus, they were amazing. Now my goal is to try and drive to Vegas in one shot, and over the course of the next week I'm going to see how much money I can make. On an unrelated note, my car has smelled like cleaner for the last couple days, and I thought maybe it was my battery exploding. It's not. It's my gun cleaning kit had leaked gun cleaner all over itself. Glad I figured that out. Here in Cedar City, Utah, getting fuel probably for the last of the day. Check out this schoolie over here. Oh, you know, just decided to pull over the side of the road and pee. I'm currently peeing in Kanosh, wherever that is. I'd like to point out the amount of pee bags here. Let's see, well, there's a pee jug. There's a pee bag. And there's a pee bag. Let's see. Oops, some more pee bottles over there. There's lots of little pee containers. Oh, look, that one's a really full pee bottle. I don't understand why you don't just pee in the grass. I mean, the grass is kind of dying. You could use it, but... Stopped off in this little town just out of the pass. I'm at a Flying J. I'm gonna see. I looked on a couple of my apps and nothing says that people have parked here. I found a dirt lot kind of in the back that would be perfect, but I'm gonna ask, make sure it's not employee parking or something. So I did not make it all the way to Las Vegas. Partly because I was feeling a little bit tired, but I also kind of hate missing new landscapes I've never seen before while driving in the dark. So I got kind of through this pass. I'm here in this place called Mesquite, Nevada, at a truck stop. So I'm going to, before I crash tonight, work on some video. I need to export all my video and start putting stuff together and relax for the rest of the evening. I wanted to be done, so I'm being done. Hold on, I almost forgot something. Here we go. Let's see here. Well, I set out on this trip to collect a shot glass from every state and to, in turn, take a shot in every state. Now, I don't actually have any booze in the car with me right now, so unfortunately the shot's just going to have to be water. But seems fitting for Utah. Yeah, that was a really disappointing shot. But hey, the visit wasn't.